Hey y'all, we want to try a peach ice cream recipe. I've never made this one before. Hope you guys have seen my strawberry video, but since Aaron loves peach ice cream, that's what we're making today. I'm going to use mostly canned peaches because peaches aren't, they're not ready here in Utah. We prefer local. So we're trying it out with the canned. We'll keep you posted. We'll show you guys what we're doing. And then, of course, we'll taste test it and let you guys know how we like it. But simple ingredients. So we're going to be pureeing the right amount. We'll show you the right amount in the link so you guys can see what it is. We're going to triple it because of how many people we have, and we would like some extra. So we'll make sure to give you guys the right amounts. But here we go. Okay, so we've got the peaches all blended up. All the ones that are called for, just in the blender, letting it sit. Now we're going to do the whipping cream. We love Winco, so we've just got our whipping cream here. We're going to pour it in our blender and into the Bosch, and then we'll do the next step. Okay, now we're going to put in the vanilla. Next is the salt, just a pinch. So we're going to add that, and now we blend it until stiff peaks form. Let's watch and see how that goes. Stiff peaks. Yes. Okay, so now we get to add the sweetened condensed milk. Okay, now the sweetened condensed milk is added in there. And see, it's nice and ready to get mixed up. So now we're going to mix it up and let you know what it looks like. Okay, this is already mixed. We're going to get into the frozen containers and have it chill. It's going to chill for 3 to 6 hours. So we wanted to make sure and see how we like the peach ice cream that we just made. I think Aaron's tasted it already, but it's really rich. It tastes really good with the peach.
Otherwise it doesn't taste that much like peach to me.
Really? Let's see.
If you like ice cream that's not really sugary tasting, like really sweet, it does have the peach flavor for sure. And it's nice. It's very mellow. It's not super sweet, which is kind of nice actually. Yeah. If I want super sweet, I get like chocolate.
It's good. It's really smooth.
I'd really like to try it with our O. Henry's or Diamond Princess peaches when they come out, though.
I totally agree that I think we would add more peaches next time, and more fresh peaches that are ripe. Because
didn't it call for just a couple of fresh ones this time, and then
it called for all fresh, but I had to use canned to substitute because I didn't have enough.
They're not quite the season yet.
It's not quite the season, yeah. Not too sugary, not extra sweet. It's since there's no extra sugar. It's just the sweetened condensed milk.
And the canned peaches are like extra light syrup.
Yeah.
So if you wanted it sweeter, you could just use the heavier syrup.
So
it's good.
It's good.
I can't wait to try it with fresh peaches, more for all fresh peaches. But.
Yeah, I think I would try it again for sure. Add more peaches to it and more of the ripe.
Now our strawberry ice cream.
The strawberry ice cream.
Is the bomb.
You guys have to look at it in the link. It's really, really good. It's hard to beat that one.
We'll have to do some raspberry and blackberry or something too.
Yeah. I'd love to put raspberry in with the strawberry.
I think the chickens got to most of my boysenberries this year, so I don't know if we'll have our own boysenberries. We're
going to cross our fingers and hope that. So yes, we would suggest making this one. It was really, honestly, it was easy.
Yeah, watching you do it was really easy.
And not too many ingredients.
Didn't require an ice cream maker.
No, so that makes it really easy. So yes, we would recommend. Love it. We'd make it again. But there's our recommendations. See everything in the link, and thanks for watching.
Okay, bye.
Goodbye.